Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 1st of February. I'm James Spann. Got a brand new month. Another beautiful day coming up today. We'll be in the 60s with no rain. However, the weather turns wet tomorrow on through the latter half of the week, and a pretty nasty winter storm unfolding north of Alabama. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this morning. We've got a little wave coming through the western Gulf of Mexico. That produced a lot of rain over Texas yesterday, and a trough that'll be coming out across the Great Plains states today, producing that big winter storm initiation. That was the radar this morning. A little rain off the Louisiana coast. We are dry, and we stay dry today. Temperatures this morning all over the board. You got Gadsden at 24. Birmingham at 46. This is why this is not a one-number place when you forecast low temperatures on a clear, calm morning, but everybody will go in the 60s today. Very comfortable. Boy, check this out. There's the watch warning map. We have blizzard warnings for parts of North Dakota and Minnesota. Winter storm watches and warnings in effect all the way from Colorado, New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas to northern New England. Winter storm warnings for parts of Kansas, Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Ohio. Of course, all that's north of here. The severe weather outlook through tonight, no thunderstorms today. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder southwest of Alabama. And then on day 3, Thursday, we've got a low end, level 1 out of 5, marginal risk of severe storms for the southwestern corner of Alabama. This would include places like Atmore, Gulf Shores, Mobile, Bay Minette. And some of the storms Thursday evening, Thursday night could produce strong gusty winds there. But for most of the state, just good old-fashioned rain. A lot of rain. This is the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts will likely be in the 1 to 3 inch range, and much of that will be falling tomorrow through Friday. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 3. You can see the troughing coming down, approaching the Plain States. And again, for us, we're dry and pleasant, partly sunny, highs in the 60s. Very nice day. Tomorrow, here comes the rain. Rain begins during the day for much of the state, the northern half of the state at least. And again, you can see that nasty winter storm unfolding north of the state. So this is Thursday, and we've got some nasty icing, if this verifies, just north and west of here. Memphis, Little Rock, back up into Kentucky around Louisville and Lexington. But for Alabama, Thursday will be a mild day. We'll be way up in the 60s. Somebody may be touching 70. And there certainly could be some rain around on Thursday, but a decent chunk of the day could be dry. And then the main system comes in here Thursday night, and that icing just north of here. In fact, speaking of icing, this is the ice accumulation potential coming off the National Blend of Models. And this is suggesting icing could go over 1/3 of an inch for northeast Arkansas, extreme northwest Tennessee, western Kentucky. It doesn't sound like a lot, but that's a lot. That could bring down some power lines. And, of course, the snow band is going to be north of there. Now, the heaviest snow, Kansas City, St. Louis, up toward Indianapolis, Detroit, and Cleveland. Somebody in there could easily see 1 foot of snow. But again, for us, Thursday night will just be wet. And there might be a rumble of thunder, but there's just not any surface-based instability up here. So we're just not concerned about severe weather on our end of the state. But it's going to be a good soaker. And then Friday, the better chance of rain by afternoon, shifting down into the southern half of the state. And again, Thursday will be way up in the 60s, maybe flirting with 70. Friday, parts of the Tennessee Valley, they might just sit around 40 all day. Low to mid-40s for Birmingham, 50s for South Alabama, so sharply colder on Friday. So Saturday as the weekend begins. Probably a lot of clouds around, highs around 50. Any rain the southeastern corner of the state. And then Saturday night, a little wave comes along, and that produces some light rain pretty much statewide. This is midnight Saturday night. Don't think it rains a lot. Moisture should be limited. And then by Sunday, that wave is on by, and we are dry for a pretty good chunk of the day. So if at the moment it looks like over the weekend, the better chance of rain will be Saturday night and early Sunday morning. And Sunday will stay cool with a high in the low to mid-50s. Monday, we're dry, low 50s, and this is a week from today, Tuesday the 8th. Little wave down in the Gulf, but looks like we're dry and cool at that point. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 10th. Got a long wave trough coming into the eastern states, and Evidence maybe a little light rain for the northern half of the state or a little light snowflakes, but again, this is 10 days out, and we all know this will change. Rain for Birmingham off the European Ensemble, the mean little over 3 inches between now and the 15th of February. We do note the European Ensemble tries to print out a few little snowflakes in here with that weekend wave. Some of the members show a couple of snowflakes, but really nothing significant. We'll watch for trends here, but for now we're just mentioning rain Saturday night into Sunday morning. Temperatures 69 on Thursday, then 47 on Friday. That's a big drop, and then highs around 50 for the weekend and early next week. And the latest CPC outlook, this is for the 8th through the 14th of February. Temperatures here would be a little below average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.